In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a boomerang from an existing photo using Instagram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up story camera, and first off turn on boomerang mode. Once you did that, hit at that icon to open up your images from your camera roll. As you can see, some of that images are marked with that infinity symbol at the top left corner. That means that these images are actually live photos. You can make a boomerang just from live photos. As you can see, there are some videos and regular photos, and there are no that infinity symbol. So let me pick one photo, let it be that one, and now all I have to do is just hit at that infinity symbol at the top and see what happened. The live photo has just been converted into a boomerang. Then you can hit at done and continue editing that boomerang as you usually do. You can add there some text, stickers, all that stuff. Once you have finished with that, you can hit at arrow to share that boomerang to your story. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.